Hi guys, this is Idris. Welcome to our channel. Thanks for giving us an opportunity to explore new video with a new premium product with uncompromised quality. So today we are discussing a project name which is Prime Projects. So we will specify some qualities of Prime Projects. So coming to this Prime Constructions, this project has started in the year of 1995. So coming to amenities, this project is giving us a indoor games, multi-purpose hall, gym, 24/7 security and children play area. Free from this village is based on luxury. So here free from pollution. So we have a very good connectivity. So here we don't have any water scarcity, and here so we have very good connectivity through buses, autos and cabs, and here there is no power cut. So now we are exploring our Prime Projects. So in this Prime Projects we are describing today villas. So the name of the villa is Prime Alphenia. So please come here so that we can see clearly. So these are the ultra luxury villas. So here we can see villas. So we will describe them briefly. Beautiful mosques and churches beside this area. So we will start briefly about villas. This is our guest living hall. So any temporary guests or relatives or temporary guests, they can sit here, they can have a meeting here. So after completing meeting, they can go here. If they have a washroom, they can come here. There is a facility of a washroom here for the guest. So coming to the guest bedroom, if they are relatives, so they can be having here. So in this bedroom we have a very good ventilation, a very luxurious bedroom, and having a very good spacious. So if we place a king size bedroom here, so we have a lots of space here. We have a lots of space, and we also have a ventilation through a window. So in this window, the company is providing us UPVC windows with a safety grills. So here you can also do a wood finishing work, means like you can use wardrobes also here. So coming to here, this is the washroom area. So temporarily it is under work. So here we have a very good tiles, having a good ventilation here, and it is a very good color combination here. So coming to these tiles, so this company is providing us a non-slippery tile so that he cannot slip while he is in washroom. So shall we, if we come outside, environmental. So here we can see a very big balcony. So in this you can plant trees, you can make a very good trees, and you can watch all the outer view. So here we can get a fresh air. So if we come inside. So guys, I will describe all specific dimensions in the description area. So please come inside. See how they are using this. They are using the quality. They are using Prime quality. See, they have separate company UPVC windows. So you guys are seeing UPVC windows, Prime, eco-friendly, anti UV all weather profiles, lead free profiles. So they are using quality. They never compromise in quality. So coming to windows. So here you can see the sliding windows. Please come here. They are using these windows. These windows are UPVC windows, and they are also giving us a safety grills, like these safety grills, and all this is called as a mesh. So if we come into the dining section, here we can have a great dining section, and the sizes will be displayed in the specific in the description area. So coming to kitchen area, in this kitchen area, the company is providing us a granite with a smooth finish and having a stainless sink here. So if you want to live here, you can use a chimney here and microwave and micro oven, and you can make all the wardrobes according to the interior designer. So we can make a spacious luxury bedroom. So here, if you need, you can keep all the pantries here. Okay. So coming to first floor, we have a here staircase lobby. So in this first case, you can use as a multi-purpose hall also. So let's welcome here. So guys, this flooring is ceramic tiles. So please come here. So guys, this is a family lounge with a beautiful window, UPVC window with a full of ventilation. Here you can make a very good color combination of colors, and you can also provide a art crafts. So please come here. So this family lounge is have access to the balcony. So please come here. In this balcony, here we can have a UPVC window, and here we can make a sit out, and we can also have a small plants here. So if we sit in the evenings here, we can enjoy the society, we can enjoy the view, we can enjoy the air, we can enjoy the all the basic amenities here. So we can see the society feeling, we can talk with them. So we will enter into another bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. So this is master bedroom. Coming to washroom and dressing area. So please come here. So this is the dressing area. So we can make wardrobe and a lot of storage here. So coming to here washroom. So there is a washroom divided here. So here we have a beautiful tiles with a good granite work, and all the finishing work are very smooth, and all the fittings are quality. So coming to these tiles, they are using non-slippery tiles, so that should not slip here. So coming to here. So also we have a master bedroom with a beautiful ventilation here, with same dressing table and a beautiful washroom. So here the beautiful tiles are made up, and all the tiles are made up to the doorstep. So please come. So we will enter into the last bedroom of this area of this floor. So this is also one bedroom. So here we can see the rest section, and here the beautiful tile work washroom. So here there will be access to go into the balcony. So there is access to balcony. Here we can sit here, and we can stand, and we can see all the views. So we can enjoy the weather. We can talk with friends here. We can chit chat, and here we can play carom board or chess. We can play any small games here. So we will go up last. So with lot of efforts, we have got these two villas. So these villas are ultra luxury, spacious and beautiful in location. So don't miss this. This is a beautiful opportunity. This is a golden opportunity. So one more special news and special updates is, so now we are going into construction field. So my brother having a construction company, Pro Contracts company. He is an interior designer. He works all the building works. So if you have interest, please comment your number or call to our numbers. Thank you. We love you always. Please support us. Please encourage. Please, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.